Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Toyota Yaris. First, turn on your Yaris's ignition and make sure the audio system is powered on. Next, locate and press the Setup or Menu button on your car's infotainment system. From there, you will need to navigate through the options to find the Bluetooth or phone settings. This is your starting point for wireless connectivity. Now that you are in the Bluetooth settings, select the option to add new device or pair device on your Yaris's screen. Simultaneously, grab your mobile phone and go into its settings to enable Bluetooth. Make sure your phone is discoverable so your car can find it. You should then see Toyota Yaris or a similar name appear on your phone's list of available Bluetooth devices. Once your phone displays Toyota Yaris, select it to initiate the pairing process. Both your phone and the car's display should then show a matching 6-digit PIN. It is crucial to verify that these numbers are identical on both screens for security. After confirming the PIN, press Pair or Connect on both your phone and the car's system to establish the secure wireless connection. Congratulations, your device is now connected. You can enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your Yaris's audio system. Remember to adjust your phone's volume and ensure the car's audio source is set to Bluetooth for optimal sound. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.